Welcome to the Croatian Voice, the news program from Toronto, Canada. This is your host, Željko Todorić. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Have you ever wondered how the outside world, foreigners or non-Croatians, perceive Croatia and its people? Are we loved, hated, or just ignored as if we are some unimportant creatures, unworthy of anyone's attention? Here in Canada, we can ask the same questions. And this is where our story begins. These video shots were taken on Sunday, March the 19th, 2011, in downtown Toronto during the evening hours. My initial goal was to go downtown Toronto and interview passers-by on the street. A few questions were prepared. Do you know where Croatia is? What comes to your mind when you hear the word Croatia or Croatian? Have you met any Croatian people? What are your experiences with them? Have you eaten any Croatian food? However, after experiencing extremely cold weather and deserted streets, I reluctantly abandoned the idea. I decided to try my luck in a McDonald's restaurant instead. This restaurant is located on the corner of Bathurst and Dundas in downtown Toronto. Prior to videotaping people in the restaurant, I came nearby the CN Tower and took some shots of it. My goal was to find out what ordinary Canadians or Torontonians thought about Croatians without any interference on my part. In short, I didn't plan to argue or debate with anyone, no matter how inaccurate or foolish their views about Croatians may be. This ad hoc survey took place between 9 to 10 o'clock p.m. 10 random people were approached, all strangers to me. 5 of them decided to talk, and 4 let their views be recorded on film. First, I'll start with this man. He's American, born in Detroit, Michigan.
Film. You can film him.
You don't know anything about Croatia?
First of all, I don't want to be on film.
Although he refused to express his views on camera, he was rather talkative off camera. He was drafted into military service during the Vietnam War in the 1970s. However, he decided to avoid the military draft by fleeing USA and claiming a refugee status in Canada. He does not regret it, he told me. His knowledge about Croatia is minimal. He knows Croatia is placed somewhere in the Balkans. He doesn't distinguish Serbs from the Croatians, Macedonians, or Slovenians, and believes they still live together in Yugoslavia. This lack of knowledge about geography and history of the region was particularly visible when he pointed out traditional Croatian prejudices against Kosovo Albanians, when he clearly had Serbs on his mind. Now a little bit about the Filipino. He worked with some Croatians in a factory here in Toronto. He even visited our Croatian park in Mississauga, mingling with Croatian friends, eating our food, and so on.
What do you want to know?
So, do you know where Croatia is?
I know where Croatia is. It used to be a big country.
Do you know the name of the country?
Huh?
Do you know the name of the... It used to be a big country, so you mean...
Yugoslavia.
Yugoslavia, I see, yeah. So now it's independent. Thank you, girls. Thank you. So, did you meet any people or Croatian people
In Canada? I work with them.
Oh, you work with them. Okay, tell me about your experience.
They are very,
Experiences.
they're very hard-working people.
Hard-working people.
Yeah.
Okay, right. So,
I have my good friend is Sandro Rubik.
oh yeah.
You know Sandro? I work with him at Lennox.
Oh, okay.
Lennox have lots of Croatian people down there.
Oh, okay.
Lennox, they shut down the place.
All right. So, have you eaten any Croatian food or?
I try everything.
Okay,
I don't know the name, but I try everything.
What did you eat?
Mostly meat, cabbage, and everything.
Oh, cabbage.
You know, something like Polish cabbage, something like that.
I see. Okay.
Other stuff.
So where do you work?
Right now, I'm not working right now,
Oh, you
but
are not working at the moment.
I'm independent.
Okay.
I do independent work.
All right. So okay. Okay. What is? Okay. How many Croatian people work with you?
At Lennox?
Sorry?
At Lennox? You know, Lennox is air conditioning manufacturing company. A lot of Croatians there.
Oh, a lot of Croatian. What is that factory? In the Tobico?
Tobico, they closed down now.
But
I used to work with a lot of people.
okay.
Okay, they're nice people, they're hardworking, you know. Can't complain.
Hard-working people.
Yeah.
Are they, how do you say, friendly? Or,
Friendly, yeah.
Friendly, yeah.
My friend Sandro is friendly. He's my buddy. He came here as a refugee. I helped him out too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And within 1 year, he was able to buy a house.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. Because he's young, he's strong, you know, and now easy to learn. Very easy to learn.
So you're not of Croatian background, but still they accepted like like Croatian.
No.
Not yeah, Croatian, but still
Yeah.
as a friend.
As a friend. I don't care where they come from, as long as they're human beings.
Sure.
You know, that's the main thing. If you want to be a good people, be a good people.
So you visited Croatian Center?
In Mississauga Road.
Yeah.
You know that?
Yeah, sure.
Big backyard, big building on the front. Right in Mississauga Road, I think between Eglinton and Burhampton.
Croatian Center, well, I don't know.
Community center.
Actually,
Community center, yeah.
It's normal, which is a big church, but in Mississauga, something.
It's not a church. It's not a church.
It's not a church.
It's the center itself.